Hey, this is Skylar with Metro Lexus for another tech tip of the day. Today we're in a 2019 IS and I'm going to show you how to set presets. What we're going to do first is press menu. And on this particular vehicle, we're going to go over to the radio section, and some of the cars it says audio. So if you notice in the very top left-hand corner, it just lets us know where we're at right now, and we're in the satellite presets. So if you look over here, you can actually mix your presets, satellite, AM, FM, all together. So we're going to do that. We're going to go over to mix presets, so we can mix them all together. And if you notice here, we're in the satellite section, so we're going to go to 90s on 9. And so this is the channel that we're at, and I'm going to replace this one because a lot of times people want to know, can I delete these and start back over? No, you have to actually replace it. So I'm going to highlight it first, then I'm going to long press so that it replaces it. And then I'm going to go to FM, so I'm going to go up here to source, and then we're going to do an FM station. So we're in Cleveland, so let's check out 106.5. I'm using the tuner scroll, and I'm going to replace this 98.1. So I'm going to highlight and then long press, and then I can keep on going from there. So that's how you set your presets on a 2019 IS. Some of the cars are a little bit different. If you have any questions, as always, you can always call us, or you can make a comment on this video and we'll be sure to answer your questions. Or we would also love for you to stop in so we can help you experience amazing. If you like this, for more videos, for more tech tip of the day videos, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear from you.
Come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what experience amazing really means.